First of all, my sincere thanks to all of you for making it today's evening, despite your busy schedule. As Kalpana has already pointed out and CGM sir has already elaborated, Hyderabad market is growing at the fastest pace pan-India, and this is despite the COVID pandemic. That itself speaks of the resilience of the market, the stakeholders of the market who are present here. This pandemic, no doubt, has posed a lot of challenges, but also it has opened up a lot of opportunities for all of us. I think as far as the last data that is published, the YOY growth of this Hyderabad real estate market is growing at a rate of 34%, which is highest in the pan-India, overtaking the nearest rival Bangalore by a wide margin. And as far as I know, I think the inventory holding, I think it is the lowest pan-India also. So that speaks of the volume of the movement of the inventory, which is a pain point in many of the major cities, because of the infrastructure that is developed by the government and the presence of so many MNCs, both in pharma, IT, then R&D. So people across the countries are coming here, and once they are coming here, they are falling in love with this city because of its charm, the ease of living, and the affordability. So these are the three factors which are drawing people across the country to this city, and in the process creating demand for this real estate. And you all are rising to the occasion and providing them with a very affordable housing, which I think everybody can dream of having it. We State Bankers are a beneficiary to this tremendous journey, growth journey of real estate in Hyderabad. And as a result, our portfolio is also growing handsomely. Having said that, we also know that we have a long way to go and we have a lot of room for improvement. So this evening is basically dedicated for that, to know from you what lacuna or what the gaps we have in our delivery, so that we can work upon that. As such, bank at the corporate level are coming out with many initiatives to improve the delivery process, and with your feedback, definitely we will take it forward, so that not only the customer will be delighted, but also our bonding will be growing from strength to strength in the coming days. So my sincere thanks to all of you for being here, sparing your time, and in fact you are sparing your time which is for our benefit. So my deepest gratitude to all of you, and I hope today's evening will be a evening of meaningful deliberations which will help us in a big way in living up to your expectations. Thank you and all the best.